OpenAI has once again rocked the AI world with its latest flagship model called GPT 4.0. This new model can analyze and respond in real time to video, audio, and more. Best of all, it's available for free, even to unpaid ChatGPT users. At least this is what was said in the announcement. If you go to the helpful page that they've set up for how to access GPT 4.0, users on the free tier will be defaulted to GPT 4.0 with a limit on the number of messages they can send using GPT 4.0, which will vary based on current usage and demand. So basically, you can use GPT 4.0. When I actually went to the ChatGPT website, I don't actually see an option for this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT 4.0 for free and unlimited usage, not capped usage. To get unlimited free usage of GPT 4.0, head over to Google, type in this website, clipmove.com. I'm going to go here. And what you're going to want to do is go to this ChatMove AI assistant, which is just a really nice AI Chrome extension that gives you access to a bunch of different AI tools and models all in one place in a convenient Chrome extension access. So go ahead and click Add to Chrome. You just want to hit Add to Chrome there and log in with Google. And then the default model here is Cloud 3 Sonnet. But just go over to the model picker and pick GPT 4.0. If you don't see GPT 4.0, you can pick GPT 4.0 latest, which will also point to that latest model, which is the GPT 4.0 Omni model. Now that you have it, you can ask it to do some coding or writing, whatever. GPT 4.0 is pretty good at coding. It's also good at writing. It's kind of a good general purpose model is what I've found for it. And this Chrome extension is great. You can access a bunch of different AI models like you saw. It also has access to vision. So you can use GPT 4.0 vision right in Chrome. So to give an example, let's head over to maybe this vision benchmark that was ran for GPT 4.0. Let's take a picture of that benchmark. So I just clicked that. And then I'm going to ask GPT 4.0 summarize this picture. And then it's going to use the vision capabilities of GPT 4.0 to describe what it sees. I hope this was a helpful video on how to access GPT 4.0 for free and in unlimited usage. Do let me know if you have any feedback in the comments, or if you have any thoughts on the new GPT 4.0 model. Would love to hear them. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.